Chamaecyparis obtusa is a species of cypress native to central Japan. It is a slow-growing tree which grows to 35 m tall with a trunk up to 1 m in diameter. The bark is dark red-brown. The leaves are scale-like, 4 mm long, blunt-tipped, green above, and green below with a white stomatal band at the base of each scale leaf. The cones are globose, 8 to 12 mm diameter, with 8 to 12 scales arranged in opposite pairs. The related Chamaecyparis pisifera can be readily distinguished in its having pointed tips to the leaves and smaller cones. Spreading and uses. The plant is spread in Japan. A similar cypress found on Taiwan is treated by different botanists as either a variety of this species or as a separate species Chamaecyparis taiwanensis. It differs in having smaller cones with smaller scales, and leaves with a more acute apex. It is grown for its very high-quality timber in Japan, where it is used as a material for building palaces, temples, shrines, traditional no-theaters, baths, table tennis blades and masu. The wood is lemon-scented, light pinkish-brown, with a rich, straight grain, and is highly rot-resistant. For example, Horyuji Temple and Osaka Castle are built from enoki wood. The enoki grown in Kyoto, used for building Ai's shrine, are called a 3/4 yen Iogo Shinboku divine tree. It is also a popular ornamental tree in parks and gardens, both in Japan and elsewhere in temperate climates, including Western Europe and parts of North America. A large number of cultivars have been selected for garden planting, including dwarf forms, forms with yellow leaves, and forms with congested foliage. It is also often grown as bonsai. Enoki pollen is a major cause of hay fever in Japan. Cultivars over 200 cultivars have been selected, varying in size from trees as large as the wild species, down to very slow-growing dwarf plants under 30 cm high. A few of the best known are, Cryphaea makes a broad conic golden-green crown with a vigorous leading shoot, growing to 15 to 20 m or more tall. Flipiliformis is a dwarf growing with pale green leaves. Costeri is a dwarf with brilliant green foliage. Lycopodioides reaches up to 19 m tall, with somewhat fasciated foliage. Minima under 10 cm after 20 years with mid-green foliage. Nana aurea has golden tips to the fans and a bronze tone in winter. Nana gracilis has crowded fans of tiny branches producing richly textured effects. It is often cited as a dwarf but has reached 11 m tall in cultivation in Britain. Nana lutea a compact, slow-growing, golden yellow selection which has become very popular. A yellow counterpart to Nana gracilis. Spiralis is an erect, stiff dwarf tree. Tempelhof which grows to 2 to 4 meters has a green-yellow foliage that turns bronze in winter. Tetragonum aurea grows to around 18 m tall, with a narrow crown and irregular branching, the scale leaves in 4 equal ranks and branchlets tightly crowded, green and gold. Chemistry. The lignans Chamaecypanans A and B, obtulignolid and acetobenone can be found in the heartwood of Chamaecyparis obtusa var formosana. The biflavones sadopitacin, ginketin, isoginketin, podocarpus B, 7,7-O-dimethylamentoflavone, bilbetin, podocarpus A, 7,O-methylamentoflavone, amentoflavone and anocaflavone have been confirmed in the leaves of the plant. Images. References. External links, media related to Chamaecyparis obtusa at Wikimedia Commons.